Oh, man. Okay, okay, before we start, Sam, I have to ask you something.
Uh, that sounds dangerous already. What?
Do you ever talk about your family and then think, wow, my family is really special?
Oh, yes. All the time. Like every week.
Same, same. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Yeah. Family and friends. Real life stuff.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the One English Podcast.
Hey, guys. Nice to have you here.
I'm Wally,
And I'm Sam.
and today we're just, talking like friends.
Yeah. No pressure, no school feeling.
Just real English, easy English.
Talking about family. Talking about friends. The people in our lives.
The people who make us happy?
And sometimes crazy.
Yes, very crazy.
So, Wally, family first or friends first?
Good question. Let's start with family. Always a big topic.
Yeah. It's everything, right?
Yeah, I think so. Even when it's hard.
True. So, tell me, how big is your family?
Not very big. Pretty small, actually. I have my parents, one sister.
Just one sister?
Yeah, just one. Older sister.
Oh, older sister. That explains a lot.
Hey, what does that mean?
Older sisters are strong, very strong.
That is true. She's strong. She's bossy.
Of course.
When we were kids, she always told me what to do.
Like what?
Clean your room, don't touch my stuff, tell mom.
Sounds familiar. I have two sisters.
Two?
Yeah, one older, one younger.
Oh, wow. Middle child.
Yeah, middle child life.
How was that?
Sometimes lonely, sometimes fun.
Yeah?
My older sister was busy. My younger sister was annoying.
That sounds honest.
But now it's different.
How so?
We're adults. We talk more. We understand each other.
Yeah, that happens with time.
Yeah, when I was young, I didn't like family dinners.
Oh, why?
Too many questions. How is school? Why are you so quiet?
Oh, yes, the questions.
Now I miss those dinners.
Yeah, same here. When I moved out, I felt it.
The silence, right?
Yeah, no noise, no fighting, no laughter.
It feels empty.
Exactly.
Do you live close to your family?
Kind of. Same city, but not same house.
That's good.
Yeah, I see my parents every weekend.
Every weekend? Wow.
Yeah, Sunday lunch almost every week.
What about your sister?
She's busy. Work, kids.
Oh, she has kids?
Yeah, 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
So you're an uncle.
Yeah, Uncle Wally.
How is that?
It's fun and tiring.
You don't even live with them.
I know, just one afternoon and I'm tired.
Kids have too much energy.
So much. They run, they shout, they ask questions.
Why? Why?
Exactly.
Do they like you?
Yeah, I think so. They like when I visit.
Because you bring gifts.
Maybe.
Honest man.
What about your family now? Do you see them often?
Not as much as before.
Why?
Work, life,
Yeah, life gets busy.
I call my mom every few days.
That's nice.
She always says, you don't call enough.
Moms always say that.
Always.
What does your dad say?
My dad is quiet. Short calls. How are you? Good. Okay.
Classic dad.
Yeah. But he cares, just in a quiet way.
Yeah. Love looks different.
True. Growing up, were you close to your family?
Yes and no.
What do you mean?
We didn't talk about feelings much.
Ah.
We showed love with actions, food, help, time.
Yeah, same in my family.
Now I try to talk more.
Me too. It's not easy.
No, it feels strange sometimes.
Yeah, saying I love you feels big.
But important.
Very important. Okay, friends.
Friends, yes.
I love talking about friends.
Me too. Friends are like chosen family.
Exactly.
How many close friends do you have?
Close? Maybe 3 or 4?
That's a good number.
Yeah, not too many, but real.
Quality over quantity.
Nice English phrase.
Thanks.
So, my best friend, Alex, I've known him for 15 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we met in school.
Still close?
Very close. Even when we don't talk for weeks.
That's real friendship.
Yeah, no pressure.
I have a friend like that too.
Yeah?
His name is Mark. We talk, then disappear, then talk again.
And it feels normal.
Exactly.
Do you make friends easily?
Not easily.
Same.
I'm friendly, but close friends take time.
Yeah, trust takes time.
When I was younger, I wanted many friends.
Me too.
Now I want peace.
Yes, peace and good coffee.
Oh yes, good coffee and good talk.
Do your friends feel like family?
Some of them, yes.
Same.
I have one friend, I go to his house, no doorbell, just walk in.
Oh, that's family level.
Yeah, his mom always feeds me.
Moms love feeding people.
Food is love.
Always.
Have you ever had a big fight with a friend?
Yes.
What happened?
Misunderstanding. Small thing, big feelings.
Yeah, that happens.
We didn't talk for months.
That's hard.
Very. I missed him.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, we talked. Slowly.
That's good.
Now we're closer.
Sometimes fights make friendships stronger.
If you talk. If you listen.
Yeah, listening is key.
Family, too.
Oh yes, especially family.
Do your friends know your family?
Some of them, yes.
That's nice.
My parents like my friends.
That's important.
What about you?
My mom loves my friends.
Even more than you?
Maybe.
Does she ask about them?
All the time. How is Alex? Is he eating well?
Moms worry about everyone.
Yeah.
Do you think friends change as we get older?
Yes.
How?
Less time, more planning.
Oh yes, planning is needed now.
Before, hey, let's hang out.
Now, next Friday at 7?
Exactly.
But conversations are deeper.
Yeah. Less noise, more meaning.
I like that.
Me too.
Do you have friends at work?
Some, but work friends are different.
Yeah, different level.
Still nice, but not same.
True.
So, family, friends, both matter.
Both shape who we are.
They teach us patience.
And love.
And sometimes stress.
Yes, a little stress.
But life without them? Too quiet.
Too empty.
I agree.
You know, talking about this makes me want to call my mom.
Me too.
Maybe after this.
Yeah.
So let's slowly wrap up.
Yeah. Easy ending.
Today we talked about family.
Parents, sisters, brothers, kids.
And friends.
Friends. Old friends, new friends.
The people who stay.
Even when life changes.
So, listeners, quick question.
Yeah, think about it.
Who is one person in your life
Family or friend.
who makes you feel safe?
Who makes you feel at home?
Think about that.
And maybe send them a message today.
Yeah, just hi. That's enough.
If you enjoyed this talk,
Please like the video
subscribe to the One English podcast.
and share it with a friend.
Or family.
Perfect.
Thanks for listening, guys.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.